boxes out. We have Perfect Choice. Gets away immediately. Moving a party outside. Pearlback. Musicking in the middle. Then followed by Spin Cycle. Wonders Me. Sees down in fifth. Then followed by In Command. Caloocan's Pride in the middle. Rory outside. Nichols Choice. Then followed by Mystic Dragon. Into the turn they go. Perfect Choice by about 2 lengths. Pearlback in second. 2 lengths away in third. Music King. 4 lengths away in fourth. Spin Cycle. Wonders Miss in fifth. Caloocan's Pride is down in 6. In Command 7th. 8 Hoy. Tama na. 9 Mystic Dragon. Then followed by Gainable Nichols Choice. Kaakit, while Da Vinci is the early trailer. Now we have Pearlback takes the lead. Music King is already outside now, trying to get closer. Dropping back in third. Perfect Choice is Spin Cycle. Caloocan's Pride. Wonders Mesa. Pearlback this time by about 3 for the Palenka. Music King is already outside second. Perfect Choice. Then here comes Caloocan's Pride as they come down to the last 200. Pearlback, Music King, Caloocan's Pride now in third. But it's still Pearlback, followed by Music King already outside Caloocan's Pride. Pearlback by about 2 lengths over Music King. And finally it's Pearlback, Music King, Caloocan's Pride, Perfect Choice, In Command.